Hi children, this is your social ma'am. See, today we are going to see chapter 3, what is government, from your social and political life. See, these are all the contents we are going to learn children. Introduction, levels of government, laws and the government, types of government, democratic governments, improve your knowledge and listening skill. See this slide children. See, in this chapter, we are going to learn about the government and how it is working. And also, this government plays the important role in our life. How do they decide what to do? Then, the types and levels of the government. So, these are all the things we are going to learn from this chapter. And also children, every country needs a government to make decisions and get things done. The government also takes action on many social issues. It takes care of the postal and railway services, maintaining peaceful relationship with other countries, need to provide good health facilities. Now we are in the period of Corona, is it? Now we have identified the government had taken many services to provide the people welfare. When the natural disaster occurs, it is the responsibility to provide aid for the affected people. If someone committed a crime, you find the people in a court or in the jail. So court and police station are also the part of the government. See some examples I had given. Court, Indian Railways, Bharat Petroleum, police station. These are all the part of our government, and also find out the remaining. So what are the levels of the government? See, the government works at different levels. Local level, state level and national level. What is mean by local level? Government in village, town or locality. That means government administrate the village, town or the locality. That we can call it as local level. For example, Gram Panchayat, Town Panchayat. Town Panchayat is otherwise called as municipality. So these are all the things ruled by the local government. Then state level. So it covers an entire state of India. So totally we have 28 states in our India. So for example, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. So it covers entire state of India. So their administration also, what is it? Covers the entire states. Then the third, national level. It covers an entire countries in the world. USA, Canada and lot of many other countries. Laws and the government. The government makes laws and everyone who lives in the country has to follow these. This is only the way governments can function and take decision. We need to follow the rules or the laws laid down by the government. Then types of government. We have two types of government, democracy and monarchy. What does mean by democracy? People of a country can select the leader and the leader form the administration. So you have seen that your parents voted for some other people. That people became the leader for the particular place. Then they'll form the administration. Then what is mean by monarchy? The monarch, king or queen, has the power to make decisions and run the government. For example, we can take it as England. There we don't have the people from the leader of democracy. The decision made by the king or the queen of that particular country. Democratic country. The main feature of a democracy is that the people have the power to elect their leaders. Democratic governments refer to as representative democracies. Representative means the leader. People do not participate directly but instead choose their leader through an election process. So from the voting, they will select their leader. These representatives means leaders, meet and make decisions for the entire population. For these people, they will take decision. Democratic government. See, what does mean by universal adult franchise? All adults in the country are allowed to vote who have the age 18 and above. But before in our India, women and poor people were not allowed to vote. Only men with owned property and educated were allowed to vote. Several people, including Gandhiji, were shocked. So he mentioned in his writing, The Journal of Young India, in 1931 that I cannot possibly bear the idea that a man who has got wealth should have to vote, others not. So, who is the rich person and educated person? And a man can able to vote and remaining members were not. Improve your knowledge, children. Find out that whether you are living in Gram Panchayat or Town Panchayat. How to become a chief minister? Please find out. A list of the democracy countries and monarchy. Get the details about Bharat Petroleum. Check your listening skill, children. In monarchy, the people can select their leader. True or false? What is the government? What are the services provided by the government? Who said this? I cannot possibly bear the idea that a man who has got wealth should have to vote and others not. Thank you, children.